Welcome to a EUMOFA video tutorial. This tutorial will help you build advanced tables to access and download the data stored in the EUMOFA database. The data are arranged by week, month, and year. Let us build a query to get yearly trade data from 2019. Under Import/Export, under Advanced Table, select Yearly. The query page will be displayed. The query page has three sections: the Fields and Measures column, the Filters column, and the table area. It also has two main features, the toolbar and the layout band. On the left side of the screen, in the Fields column, you can find all the parameters you can select and add as filters in the Filters column. Let us, for example, find out how many tons of warm water shrimp were imported by the EU from Ecuador in 2019. Expand Supply Chain Stage in the Fields column. Right-click on Supply Chain Stage and choose Create Filter. The subfield will be displayed in the Filters column with the list of all items that can be selected. Do the same for all the subfields you need. In our case, add the filters Year, Main Commercial Species, Flow Type, and Partner Country. Please note, a time filter should always be included in the Filters area. If you wish to remove a filter or set different parameters for the selection of filters, click on the top right menu. Once you have created the desired filters, you can choose the specific data you need in the Filters column. For the purpose of our query, under Supply Chain Stage, click on Import/Export. All the filter selections will be highlighted in blue. Do the same with the other filters. In our case, under Year, select 2019. Under Main Commercial Species, select Warm Water Shrimp. Under Flow Type, select Import, and under Partner Country, select Ecuador. Click on Apply to validate the filters. If filters are not validated, the query cannot be completed. Once the filters are validated, you can arrange the data in the table area in a table, chart, or crosstab. Let us arrange the data in a crosstab and display them by EU member state. To do this, expand Location in the Fields area. Right-click on Country and select Add to Rows. The item will appear in the layout band under Rows. Under Time, right-click on Year and select Add to Columns. To display how many tons of warm water shrimp were imported by EU member states from Ecuador, in the Measures area, we need to create the measure tons, since the default unit is kilograms. Click on the arrow in the Measures box and select Create Calculated Measures. Once the window opens, give the new measure a title, for example, Tons. Under Fields and Measures, double-click on Volume (kilograms) to include it in the formula area. Click on the divide or slash symbol to include it in the formula area and type 1000. Click on Validate. When the validation completes, click on Create Measure. The new measure, Tons, appears under the Measure box. To add the measure in the table, right-click on Tons and select Add to Columns. You can now see how many tons of warm water shrimp from Ecuador were imported by the EU member states. You can always change the filters and rearrange the data in the table. For instance, let us compare 2019 with 2018. In the Filters area, on the right, under the year, select 2018 as well. Remember to click on Apply to validate your changes. Data will now be displayed for both 2019 and 2018. You can also add more specific data to your query. As an example, let us find out in which preservation state warm water shrimp is most frequently imported. Right-click on Preservation State and select Add to Rows. Click on the plus sign to display more detailed data. We can also display the selected data in a chart. In the toolbar, select Chart. The data are presented in a bar chart. However, in the gear menu on the left, the chart type can be changed. Let us change it to a pie chart. To display the breakdown for both 2018 and 2019, in the Filters column, on the top right, move the data level for columns to its maximum. By doing so, pie charts for both years by member state will be displayed. You can download the results of your query in different formats for all types of reports, crosstab, chart, or table. In the toolbar on the left side, click on the drop-down menu and select the desired format. Let us download the data as an Excel file. Save the file and open it once it has finished downloading. For more EUMOFA tutorials, please visit eumofa.eu. And in case of questions, or if in need for further support, please visit eumofa.eu/help, where assistance by phone or via email can be sought.